What do you want?
A little more trot there. Lift your chin as you jump the jumps. Don't snap back. Stay up. Good. That was a good rub for him. Good. That's good. That's a good canter. Just stay in rhythm. Stay in rhythm. Wait a little. Right rein. Excellent. Perfect. Left leg. Left leg. Give with your right arm. Try not to have him crooked all the way through that left turn. Keep the rhythm. Relax. Good. Looking. Calmly, smoothly. Giving. Now left rein. Calmly, calmly. Good. It's a good ride, Julie.